I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in DEPHEMEREMBER, and we're on 19, Nature's Treasure. And I was behind, so this will probably be my second video today, or else I'll have two tomorrow, depending on if I get everything edited. But to me, in God's world, the prettiest things are flowers and birds, and I enjoy them so much. So I've already got my flowers and birds picked out, and I have inked them, and I have gone around the edge with my gold wax, and I've got some pretty feathers. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but that's got a green sheen to it, and it's so pretty. So I'm just gonna get this down. I hope everybody's doing good. This is Kit. He's just coming through. But I thought I would kind of, since it's squared off, do that one at the top. And I thought I would do my flowers at the bottom. Kind of the pinks on the edges and the whites in the middle. And let's see. Something like that. And I will add in my other birds. Got the little tree limb can be coming from that side. And then I've got my cardinal. Cardinal's one of my favorite birds to watch. They're so vibrant and pretty. And I'll just set that one there. And I really like how that looks. So now I just need to figure out how I want things to lay. I think I'm just going to put that one down. Somehow during Thanksgiving I lost one of my knives. Years ago I got one of the Pioneer Woman's knife sets for Christmas. And over Thanksgiving, the big butcher knife came up missing. And I have a feeling that I probably accidentally threw it away with the turkey bones. So I finally gave in and bought a new one yesterday. And I was cutting up some chicken, and somehow that new knife, I just stabbed it into my finger. Didn't slice, just somehow my finger caught it. And it like to have never stopped bleeding. And it doesn't hurt, but boy, kid or cat. And coming through. Okay. But I hate when I do things like that. Okay. Sweetheart. Okay. Get this down. Okay. Now I want to get these flowers down. Everyone planning a big Christmas? Do you celebrate Christmas? Finally finished all my Christmas shopping. My cats are playing. All right, let me get this. All right, that. I love birds. Where we live, we have I've even got some crow friends, and they come and they talk to me every time I come out, because I'll throw out old bread and stuff. And I figure if I'm feeding them, maybe they'll leave the gardens alone. And there's pretty woodpeckers that live by. I thought they had moved on since it was cold. Today it got down in the 20s for us. And but I went out to get some clothes out of the dryer and I heard one. So that's pretty. I like that. Now I want to do some gold splatters. I thought about going around with my Stabilo all, but I really don't think it would help much because of the background being black. So I am just gonna go with it. This is another simple one, but you know, sometimes when you have the right things, you don't have to do a whole lot to it. Now, sometimes I'll enjoy, and if I had more time, I probably could have really come up with something. Usually I'm in such a hurry, and I do need to learn to take more time and work on embellishing more. And I think I enjoyed these on my last project, that I want to just add a few here and there. Let them pop against that black background. Those pearls are also nature's treasure. Comes from the oyster. Just a few of these little ones if I can get them off, and try my tweezers. I'm not very good at using tweezers, as it shoots across the room. Just to give a little bit of a different size to it. I love pearls. I like pearls more than diamonds. I like diamonds, don't get me wrong, but it's just something sweet about pearls. Well, oh, I forgot my feathers. How silly. do this. Hate when I forget something. Let's see here. Like that. Don't want to go that way. Yeah. And this one, maybe just kind of like that. Okay. That can go off a little bit. And this one. Now, all right, this was simple. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Luisa's and Barbara's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER or the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER 2023. So until next time, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.